going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be messing around with the Ballistic Advantage 16-inch 9mm barrel. They were nice enough to send us one over for the review, and also we got an endo mag from Mean Arms for 9mm. So shout out to these guys, and we got this all set up inside Anderson lower, and topped off with a Riton Optics X3 Tactix 1:8. So we're going to drop the power down to 1, and we're going to get busy here in just a second. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, she runs nice. Let's see what the accuracy is like. We'll put some down on the 100-yard steel and then on the 200-yard steel. So let's go get ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to take this out to the 100-yard steel, and then we're going to take it out to the 200. Let's do it. Alright, let's take it out to the 200 and see what we can do. If I could see it. Just kidding, I'll be good. Alright, finally I got one down on the 200. Alright, let me take a seat and see if I could do a little bit better sitting down. I'm going to go 100 yards, center mass. Having a problem with this magazine here. Alright, we're going to move down to 200 yards, and then I'm going to hold on the first hash mark in this reticle. Miss. 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 Alright, so I'm making the hits at 200. It looks like I'm drifting off to the right a little bit. No big deal. I'll just correct for it. except I'm out of ammo. Alright, I got one more round on the table here. Let's see if we can make this happen. No go. Alright, well, we tried. So, we're making hits out to 200 yards. Not very accurately. Could be me. Could be a plethora of other things. Could be the ammo, light ammo. But we're definitely on at 100. That's not a problem. And to run and gun and cycle this, not an issue.